Iowa State offers so many opportunities in the School of Education and Human Development, and so I really fell in love with the professors and my academic advisors. It started out with our learning communities, so I came in as a freshman, didn't know what to expect. Getting on campus and really experiencing things with incoming freshmen just like myself was something truly remarkable.
2, 3, 4.
Oh my gosh, the lab school is something truly unique about Iowa State. Within our program, we get more hours than what is technically required in the teacher licensure, and so you're getting a lot of experience in those classrooms. I'm in Lab 4 right now, working with kids that are 3, 4, and 5, and then later I'll work with the infants and toddlers. And so now I'm really focusing on how a child's brain functions, which is really cool.
Whoa!
They light up so much when they learn something new, and I think that's the cool thing about being a teacher is you get to see those moments. To understand that you're making a difference is something really cool that I want to continue. The people around you are just here to support you, and so they're just always trying to advance your teaching skills. And so just being willing to take in everything that your professors are telling you and get connected with your peers that are also wanting to be educators. So really try to just soak in everything that you're going to learn. Everybody has a place here at Iowa State, and you'll really soak in every opportunity that's around you. So just lean on the people that want to help you.